How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to permanently disable incognito mode in Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So assuming that you guys are have some sort of application for this feature, and off the top of my head, let's say that uh, you're putting up a school with a computer lab, and you don't want these kids to be browsing the internet using incognito mode as like a security measure, or just to prevent them from procrastinating or whatever. Well, I'll be teaching you guys just how to disable incognito mode. So there's only really one surefire way that I know of doing this, and that's through Windows Reg Editor, which I'll show you in a sec. Now, there's some settings that you can tamper with in Google Chrome itself to disable incognito mode, but the problem with that is whenever you do, whenever there's an update, it kind of refreshes the settings, so you get incognito mode back, which you don't want. So the way to actually do it is with regedit, which I'll show you now. So what you guys would want to do is either bring up your start menu, like so, or you can hit the Windows key and then R on your keyboard, and then type regedit, just like that, and then hit run. Now I actually have it open, as you can see here. So from here, you basically want to follow this path given by this guide. So basically, where was it? Okay, so HK local machine, software, policies, and then you want to look for the folder that says Google Chrome or just Google. Now to show you guys what I mean, here's the window. And here's the path. So HK local machine, software, was it software, policies? Here we are, policies. Then policies, double click policies rather. Microsoft. Okay, so here it is. So let me correct that. HK local machine, software, and then instantly to Google Chrome, as you guys can see here. Oh, so basically, click on the Google folder, and then there's a drop down, and you click on Chrome again, and here is where you'll actually add a register key, which is this one. So once you've opened the Google folder, basically you want to right click on it, this folder right here, new key, and then you want to change the new key to Google. And then here you actually get to add a parameter like such as disabling Google Chrome. And to do so, what you need to do is this one. Right click on the folder, dword 32-bit value, and then you're going to name it to incognito mode availability. And then we're going to set the value to 1, as this actually enables it. So right click, new, not key, my bad, dword 32-bit value, and then add incognito mode availability. Now, I'm not going to do this because I actually use incognito mode, but yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.